What's up, guys? It's me, Josue. And this is for Tom White, my first subscriber. I know it says 2, but that's our me and my mom. But this is for Tom White. Sorry, Mickey Mouse. Hutter. You probably don't know what that means. He loves water. He loves water. Look at him. Look how beautiful he looks. Thank you very much for this challenge, Tom White. Hope you loved it.